Hey guys. Yeah, I'm outside my house. Look, I can't even freaking see myself. So like turn towards the sun if I can. This whole entire thing's being like really stupid. Okay. If you can't see me too bad, I'm sorry. Look, there's this noise in the background of all my videos, and I don't know what it is. I've turned off my fan and my air conditioner, and the video that I uploaded about 10 minutes ago, there wasn't like anything on. I didn't have the thing, the fan that was supposed to fall. Didn't have my fan or anything on. Nothing. Don't know what it is. Now I'm outside, which I'm pretty sure there are a lot more noises out here, so that's why I'm kind of talking a little bit loud. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the last video and all my other ones, even though there's like a horrible noise in the background. I don't know what it is. And if you're hearing like a real like zzz noise right now, so it's kind of like a vibration, just my air conditioner, okay? That's all it is. But yeah, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. New video, like I probably already said this in the last video, like 10 minutes ago, but hopefully me and Emily will have a video next week or two. Till then, just tell me how your summer's been. Comment, do whatever you want. Whatever. Yeah, I still can't see myself. Maybe if I like, oh, is that work? No. Oh. Why didn't I stand right here the whole entire time? And behind me is my forest. Not really forest, more like woods in the back of my house. Anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.